How to turn off Control Center when iPhone is locked. You may have been having issues with checking this because if you use Face ID, it will showcase saying that basically the change has not made any difference because you're using your Face ID. But if you get someone else to check it for you, you will see that this has worked. So if you get someone else to try, then you will see it. But how to do it initially is that you want to go to your settings, go ahead and scroll down until you get to the setting where it says Face ID and passcode. There you want to go ahead and type in your passcode there. Then you'll want to go ahead and scroll down until it gets to the section where you will be able to see Control Center. Right now it might be turned on in green. You want to press the Control Center button so it's off and black there. Then you should be able to, if you get somebody else to check this for you, they shouldn't be able to see the Control Center when they go ahead and try to go onto your iPhone. If you do it yourself with Face ID, you'll see that it's still on. So the only way to check it is by getting someone else to do it. But that's how it's done. Leave a like on the video for help and subscribe for more helpful videos.